Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create filter views in Google Sheets, a super useful tool that lets you save custom filtered views of your data without messing up what anyone else is seeing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up quick access filters that you can use again and again, making it so much easier to analyze your spreadsheets and switch between different perspectives with just a click. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've got your Google Sheet open and ready to go. Maybe it's a sales report, a class list, or an inventory spreadsheet, basically any set of data that you want to be able to filter quickly. Once you've got it open, take a look right up at the top of your screen for the Data tab. It usually sits between Insert and Tools, so it's easy to spot. Go ahead and click on Data. This is where Google Sheets stashes all the options for sorting, filtering, and handling your information. Now, from the drop-down menu, you're looking for Create a Filter View. It might sound a bit formal, but trust me, this is where the magic happens. Filter View is special because, unlike the basic filter, it doesn't change the sheet for other people. It's like putting on your own set of glasses to see only what you want, while everyone else keeps their own view. So select Create Filter View. You'll notice something changes right away on your sheet. The area around your data gets outlined in a black border, and the column headers suddenly sport little filter icons, those tiny triangles that signal you're in filter mode. At the top of your sheet, you'll also see a dark gray bar appear. This bar tells you which range of your data is currently included in the filter view. By default, Google Sheets tries to grab the chunk of data you are working with, but you can always adjust it if you want a wider or narrower view. If you have a specific table, make sure it's all covered inside this outlined area. It's okay if it looks a bit different, that means you're in the right mode. Now for the fun part, each column now acts like its own mini filter. You can click the filter icon at the top of any column to narrow down what you see. Maybe you want to only see the West Coast region or just the rows from June. You can check and uncheck any options, just like sorting through a deck of cards for the kings or the hearts. Any filters you apply here affect only the view you're working on. You're not actually changing the whole spreadsheet for everyone else. This is perfect if you want to focus on specific info or create different views for different tasks. Once you've got your filters set just the way you like them, let's save this view so you can quickly switch back to it any time. Look back to that gray bar at the top where you'll see a place to type in a name for your filter view. Naming is super important. Try to pick something clear and descriptive like Q2 sales only or urgent tasks. This way you'll immediately know what each view is for next time you open it. And that's really all there is to it. With filter views, you can hop back and forth between different snapshots of your data, all without touching the info that your teammates see. Remember, if you ever get confused or lose track of your views, just head back to the Data tab. You'll find all your saved filter views waiting for you there. If this walkthrough helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I love reading your thoughts and helping you out if you get stuck. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.